Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use Slack Huddles. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first things first, simply go ahead and tap on home as soon as you've logged in into your Slack account. And once you've done that, click on the Huddles tab right over here. So Huddles is a real-time, one-on-one screen sharing, expressive reactions and message thread that is going to be saved for later references, and you can do it one-to-one or one-to-many as well. So all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on start a huddle. Select the person that you want to go ahead and huddle with. By the way, huddles is gonna be a paid feature which is with more than one people, so make sure that you understand that. And now click on start a huddle. As you can see, this is where you can simply go ahead and send messages. You can also have a canvas where you can put anything right over here, including images, and you can also plan multiple things together. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.